years. One evening, as she did help her mama for kitchen, her papa call her come sit down. He clear in throat. Look her well. Come talk say, Hadiza, you don big. Alhaji Musa don come ask for your hand for marriage o. Hadiza heart jump. She don't hear about Alhaji Musa, one old man like that wey get plenty wife. But she never dream say na her own papa go gree make she marry am. Hadiza no fit talk that night. She just enter her room, sit down for ground, begin cry. She like school. She get big dream to become doctor to help people for her village. But now, her papa want make she drop everything, go marry. How she wan do? The next morning, Hadiza go meet her papa for back of their compound. She kneel down. Her voice dey shake. Papa, abeg, I no wan marry now. I wan finish school.